Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I hope so you're hungry. We will make something really easy and quick. This is chicken breast. We will slice the meat to small pieces. It really depends how many people you want to feed, just yourself or more people. You can use two pieces of breast or a larger one. It's really about you. This food, it's calling, I can translate to English, it's something like a lizard. It's coming from somewhere, like from country like Bulgaria or former Yugoslavia, or I don't know, just from this part of the world. This means it's Europe. When you slice the meat like that, the chicken meat, you put him back to small plate, and you can put oil in your fry pan. Make him little bit hot before you come with other ingredients. How I said, we will put some oil on the fry pan and turn the heat on to somewhere like medium and wait until it's hot. In meantime, we will prepare the other ingredients. Trust me, will be just a little bit, and this is really very quick food. If you like spicy, it's delicious. If you don't like spicy, you don't have to add too much pepper. I mean hot pepper. Next in the ingredients, we will slice it's hot cherry pepper. You can use other brands or a different pepper. Don't have to be definitely hot. It's really up to you what you like. I will put just a little bit for better taste, but if you really like hot, don't worry and put it much more than I did. After it's everything on your chopping board, cutting board, just slice it to very small tiny pieces, because it's really important, because small pieces will be better when you eat, and you don't have to eat one big spicy piece. Okay, put it on the small bowl. Other things, it's pickle, same like I did before with hot pepper. We will slice it to many small teeny pieces. We can put it everything together because it's going to the fry pan in the same time. We will put one more because I don't have too much chicken, but it is good for your idea. It's enough for me for some quick lunch or snack, or before dinner or after dinner. Call it how you want. It's good for watching TV, or if you watch some TV or some sport. Okay, after we slice everything again, put it in the small bowl. You can see right here, everything is inside. Looks something like that. And we will check our oil, and if oil is ready, we will put the meat inside, and after a few minutes, when it's really meat, it's in the hot oil for a few minutes, we will add these other ingredients. Okay, oil is already hot. We will put the chicken inside and let it cook for a few minutes. You can add some salt and also some pepper. Let the meat turning to white This is how you will know it's really starting to be cooked. It was small pieces. I was thinking like 5, maximum 10 minutes can work for these little pieces. And when it's this done, we will add the other ingredients what we already have ready and waiting for. Couple more minutes and we are ready to go. It was already 5 minutes from time when I put the chicken pieces inside. How you can see, it was really already cooked even inside, because it's really small pieces. This means, how I said, something between 5 and 10 minutes it's okay. And when meat is in condition like that, we will include it inside this mix, the hot pepper and pickles, and let it cook for short time together. Because we need the taste coming together through the everything, from meat to the pickle and pepper. And once it's ready, we will put one more ingredient, and the ingredient is mustard. You can use any mustard you like, but I really mostly prefer the Dijon mustard. I showed it to you a few times, but I have also different mustard what I like it, but for this it's really for me the best, this one. How much the mustard we need? Let's say about the soup spoon will be fine. We will mix everything together. And we are ready to go. And we are ready to serve. We can eat with this other pickle or hot pepper, or just with bread. It really depends how we like it. How I said, it's really very quick food and definitely have good taste, because the chicken meat mixed with mustard and these other few ingredients. Enjoy today lunch or dinner and have a wonderful time, and watch my next video soon.